Ahoy there cruisers, welcome aboard the beautiful Селебрити EDGE.
Let's start with all the outdoor areas of the ship.
On deck 15 we have the rooftop garden offering pop-up live performances, movies, food as well as dramatic, unique tree sculptures that add an air of whimsy.
The rooftop garden grill offers tasty burgers and barbecue.
You can't miss the bright orange magic carpet perched over the starboard side of the ship.
With panoramic views, a full bar and live performances, it becomes a restaurant so that you can dine al fresco.
On deck 2 the magic carpet acts as an embarkation station for tenders.
The resort deck is where you'll find the main pool and the jogging track.
Soak up the sun in this beautiful pool area, including spectacular sculptures including 2 martini glass shaped hot tubs and a 75-foot pool.
Wow, at night the ship looks even more spectacular.
One deck up on deck 16 we have the retreat sun deck for suite guests only. It's an outdoor lounge area which includes a pool, pool bar and a hot tub.
The adults only solarium offers you a covered pool so that you can relax whatever the weather.
Let's head inside to take a look at the restaurants.
Starting at the specialty restaurant Le Grand Bistrot, offering classic French cuisine.
On an evening it's also home to Le Petit Chef, where your meal comes to life with colourful animated characters on your table. It's magical.
Ocean View Cafe is the included buffet on board, offering live cooking stations and a beautiful view.
Fine Cut Steakhouse is a specialty dining restaurant offering fresh steaks and seafood.
Raw on 5 is another specialty restaurant, offering abundance of fresh seafood, including oysters, crab, lobster and sushi.
Cosmopolitan is one of the included dining rooms offering American-style food with an international influence.
The next included dining option is the Cyprus restaurant, offering a Mediterranean-style cuisine.
Normandy restaurant is also included in the price of your cruise and offers a refined French-inspired cuisine.
Tuscan Restaurant is another free restaurant and is the Southern Italian inspired main dining room.
Guests staying in Aqua Class accommodation will enjoy the exclusive restaurant Blue, offering fresh, clean and crisp flavours.
Lumini at the Retreat is for suite class guests only and has menus crafted by Celebrity's own Michelin star chefs.
The Spa and Sea Thermal Suite offers the ultimate in relaxation, including spa treatments, workout classes, and an array of different saunas.
There's also a hair salon and a barber's.
And you can grab a healthy snack or drink at the Spa Cafe and Juice Bar.
Plus there's a full gym and a fitness centre.
Celebrity have also opened a purpose-built terminal in Port Everglades for EDGE's arrival.
The terminal design matches the concept of the ship perfectly, making check-in seamless and fun.
Moving back on the ship, let's take a look at some of the entertainment venues.
First we have Eden. It's unlike anything at sea, forest-like and spanning over 3 decks.
EDGE offers unique sensory experiences, design and performance art, all fully encased in the largest window at sea.
In addition, Eden also features a cafe and a specialty restaurant which magically transports you through Eden itself and thrills your senses and taste buds.
The theatre has a very contemporary design.
The shows are designed to blur the lines between audience and performance to immerse you in the entertainment.
Finally, let's take a look at the heart of the ship, the Grand Plaza.
It's a 3-storey open space surrounded by bars, cafes and shops.
It feels like a cosmopolitan city with a beautiful chandelier rising above the martini bar.
Thanks for taking a tour of the Celebrity Edge with us. Keep an eye out for our Celebrity Edge suite and cabin videos.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you know when we upload. Also follow us on social media where we live post when we cruise. That's it till next time. Happy cruising!